Good morning, first one of the day, new client with his recently acquired BMW R9T. It's a few years old, but it's got very little miles on it. I think it's got 200 miles on it now. This is in for one of our full works protection packages. He's going to get a whole dose of signature 4K ceramic and XCP clear coat. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get polished and protected. This is the best time to get it done when it's new. Look at these lovely wheels. Those are all going to get cleaned, and then we're going to airbrush the signature 4K signature pro ceramic on every nook and cranny, making sure this bike is protected for the years ahead. First step, get some snow foam on it, get all this grit and dirt off, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with a bit of detailing. We're going to do a two-stage polish on all this bodywork, all the gloss bits, before we apply any ceramic. Get this exhaust all polished up like new, looking a little sad. All these nuts and bolts will all get a nice brushing of the XCP orange. Like I said, just making sure to keep this bike looking its finest for years ahead. Anyway, let's get some snow foam on it, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio. Okay, BMW R9T has now been fully washed, decontaminated, and thoroughly blow dried, making sure to remove any moisture from switch gears, under the seat, etc. Now I'm going to crack on. I'm going to mint up this exhaust. Had a load of tar spots on there which I've removed, but we'll mirror polish that all back up, and then we will start applying the ceramic, signature 4K ceramic on every nook and cranny. So let's get this exhaust polished up, mint up this tail section, and then we'll crack on with a bit of polishing on the paintwork, and then she's ready for some ceramic. Okay, single stage has now been complete on all this bodywork. Look at the gloss on that already. Had a few marks on the tail section. I've managed to polish those out. All the exhaust has been minted up. I polished up all the collector box underneath there. The header pipes, that burnt on tar that was on there, all been mirror polished off. I've just prepped all these wheels with an alcohol mixture just to remove any cleaners. Now we're going to airbrush the signature 4K ceramic on all the motor, all these wheels, and once that's cured, we will apply a second coat to these rims by hand, and then we'll apply it to all the bodywork. freaking gloss on that. This had one of our full works protection packages, a whole holy dose, the signature 4K ceramic. So as you've been following along, everything's been airbrushed, every nook and cranny of this motor, all your suspension linkages, drive shaft cover. The wheels have had 2 coats. We airbrushed the first coat on, making sure to get all those spokes, and then I applied by hand the second coat to these lovely rims, making sure to keep those properly protected. All the spoke nipples have had XEP clear coat put on them afterwards. All that exhaust has been coated with the ceramic, all your shock all up underneath. Every nook and cranny of this, I put a bit of XCP on all the extra nuts and bolts. All the bolts down on the cover here, they always go rusty. Fully protected now and ready for the winter ahead. Actually, the winter's already here, to be honest. But yes, signature 4K ceramic, knocking it out of the park again. Get yours booked in now. This is the best time to get it done when your bike is new or fairly new like this one, making sure to keep it looking its finest for years to come. Look at the gloss on that. Anyway, give us a call. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We got a we got a £50 off offer on the full works package for the rest of December. We've got a bit of space next week if you want to get booked in. If not, come and see us the new year. 07966 249 963.